Hi everyone. In our last session, we have discussed how to use selectOne method in GlideQuery. In this session, we'll learn how to use different optionals method which are useful for handling the scenario where a record may exist or may not exist. For example, here we'll take users table as an example again. So let's open users table. If we search any user with last name and if any value is present in the first name, it will record the first name. It will return the first name and that particular user's record. If not found, we'll return a message. So using an optional, we'll do that. So for that, we need to do some server scripting. So let's open scripts background. Here we'll take a GlideQuery object. So I'm using user as an object here. So let's write new GlideQuery of user table, that is sys underscore user. Then again we need to apply filter. I'm using first last name as a filter here, so that is last underscore name, and the value will be, we'll use able to test record here. So just copy the last name of able tutor here. Now we use select one of first name, and if record is found, it will return the value of that particular record. If not, we have method or else, and here we can give a, we can return a message here that no user is found. For that, we need to write first name, the field name where we are using in the above line, select one, and we can give no user found. You can give whatever the message you want based on your use case. So I'm using no user found here. Then now, if we print the result, gs.print of json.stringify. Here I'm using json.stringify as it is an object group. Above we have used user. So we'll see the result. As you can see, able tutor is a record exists in the user table with last name as tutor. So it is print able and the unique value of that record, which will be sysID here. So what if any user is not found with the last name? So I'm giving example here. If no user is found with the example here, it will print no user found. Let's check that too. See, as you can see, first name, no user found. So you can take any user last name to check. If you try searching with Lincoln, it will return Abraham Lincoln's value here, returns here. And we also have a method to print the Boolean value. If you want to use any record existence in a Boolean value like true or false, you can use same lines and dot is present. So this line will gives you, if the user exists, it will return the Boolean value as true. If not, it will return as false. For example, same we are printing gs.print of json.stringify of user. Same the GlideQuery object we have to print. So if your user is present, it will return as true. As we have user Lincoln with last name in the users table, as you can see here. So if it is present, then it will return true as the result. See, true. Otherwise, it will return as false. If you don't have a user with last name as an example here, just execute, it will return false as the value. So this way we have different optional methods in GlideQuery. So in our upcoming videos, we'll learn more about this thing. So keep watching. Thank you.